Hey, Dan here, and welcome back to my garage. Well, we're going to get this bearing the way it should be. As you can see right now, this is the way it is. You got like a skinny here, fat, skinny, fat, skinny, fat. All right? Can't be like that. Got to be skinny to fat, and fat skinny, okay? Or you're not going to get, it's not going to flex, okay? So, also, this cup, this part of this is going to be facing inside this cup, okay? See, this is the little lip right here is this here. Okay, now let's get the balls right. So, I had to do this 10 years ago. And you'll probably see that with over 50,000 views. So let's get this right. Now, let's get the balls back out. Slide it out. And they're going to come out. Just like so, right? Okay, so we need to rotate. Let's get them out. Okay. So it's going to, this flat surface is going to be facing this way, okay? Up. Run away. Okay. Block these suckers so not getting away from me. Alright. Okay, stay right there. Okay. What I'm gonna do, go ahead and put the cage in here. Like so. And again, we need skinny, fat, skinny. Okay? Okay, so let's get our first ball in here. Alright, first ball. Next one. Second ball. Third ball. Okay. Yes, sir. Come on, get yourself comfortable. Here we go. Ball number 3. There you go. There you go. 4. All right. Let's get number 6. Our last ball. All right. We're in there. All right, now, as you can see, don't mess around. You can see we have total flex now. Where before we did not. Okay, so that's how you do that. Okay, again, you're going to have your flat section, not your cup section. You got a cup that goes on here, and that's going to go in there. And then you got your raised part of this. That's going to go on as it goes into the cup. See, as it goes into the cup. That's going to go on the outside of the cup. The other cup's going to be on the inside. So you've got this section here, which is flush, is going to be flush with this. Okay, so this side is going to go to the inside. Oh, why that?